that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be installing a wig from Ywigs Hair Company. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got a wig cap. I also got this return/exchange form just in case you're not happy with your purchase, and also another form with hair care. And of course, the wig itself. So the wig that I'll be installing today is a bang wig. It's a U part, and I got this wig in body wave. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this wig, make sure you keep watching this video. So right now I'm just showing you guys the hair. You can see here's the bang itself. It's not too short, so you can cut it if you'd like. And of course the body wave. The density on this wig was 250, and the part was made on the right hand side. So inside the wig you can see these clips on the side, and you also have combs and of course an adjustable band to tighten the wig or loosen it if you'd like. So I'm just giving you a closer look to how this wig looks, because this was my first time installing a U-part wig like this. So I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks. Now let's get into this install. I'm gonna start by parting my hair on the side, the same side that is already parted for the wig, which is my right hand side. So I'm just trying to eyeball the length of the part, that way I part my hair close to that length so not a lot of hair is left out and not too little is left out as well. So I will be leaving some extra hair out on the side and at the front, just in case. I like when my wigs look natural, so I like leaving a little bit of extra hair out, and so that's what I'm doing now. So once I've put all the hair that I'm leaving out to the side and it's all parted out, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair back into a low ponytail, because I won't be braiding my hair for this install. You just want to make sure your hair is really flat. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this mesh part off the wig, because I'll be putting my leave out in that section. So you just want to go ahead and cut off that extra lace. So I'm just showing you guys these clips. That's what we'll be using to attach this wig onto my head. So I always use the back comb as my guide. So I know that goes in the middle of the back of my head. And then I'm just going to attach the combs as close to my part as possible. You want to get as close to the part as possible. That way the wig is not sliding too far down. And just like that, the wig is literally installed on your head, guys. It is just that simple. I love these U parts, these V parts, because they make life so much easier. So I'm just going to now style my hair now that I've put the wig on. So I'm going to part back my part and make sure that the hair is covered. It's really how natural this hair looks for me, and it was so simple to install. So I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro Flat Iron and my BioSilk, and I'm just going to recurl my bang a bit because my leave out is on top of it. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit more curl, and that is basically it. Like, this hair is already styled, it is already in body wave. Like, you do not even need to do much. So as you can see, I'm already getting happy because like my job hair is done. This wig was so simple to install. So guys, don't forget to check out Ywigs. All their information will be down in my description box below, so you can check them out. I also have a code for you guys to use, a discount code, so don't forget to use that as well at checkout. And yeah, stay tuned because you will see the finished look. Now I'll just be going in with my Ebon edge control, and I'm just going to do some swoops at the side. Guys, that is basically it. I decided to use my wax stick on the top of my hair just to allow it to look more neat, more sleek. I like finishing up my hairstyles, making it look real nice and neat. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just spraying this little bottle of oil sheen. This is from Olive Oil. And that is basically it for this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I hope this helped you guys out. If you are a bang person, if you are interested in getting an easy to wear wig, I suggest a U-part wig, a V-part wig. Like, check them out. Check out Ywigs. All the details will be down in my description box below. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button if you're here this long. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see me do next. And also, don't forget to follow me on social media at nae.simone. And I'll see you guys in the next video.